Bournemouth 2, Arsenal 0. We finally got punched in the face and got knocked out. It's been coming all season. We keep getting up. We keep going again. We keep winning games. We keep staying unbeaten. And today our luck run out. And our luck run out for multiple reasons. We've all got different views on it. Make sure you smash the like button. Check out Kenny's fan cam, my fan cam. I'm going live with Northside in about 5-10 minutes for an emergency meeting. And make sure you follow Jez's channel, which will be in the title, Arsenal History and More. But Jez, the fixed bench doesn't appear to be fixed because some of them players started today. Raheem Sterling, Mikel Merino. He threw the kid to the Lions today. That was disgusting, in my opinion, throwing that boy on for 10 minutes at the end when we're 2-0 down. Why don't you start him? Yeah, like I thought that was the worst thing of the day for me. That pissed me off. I can't lie. Kivior, another fixed bench member. Some just piss poor performances all over the park. The goalkeeper today looked like he'd been tranquilized or been out on the piss the night before. What was he doing? Yeah, Ben White for me was the worst player on the pitch. Yeah, but what did you make of it, mate? Because I know you were doing your watch along as well. Yeah, and Jez, I can imagine, I know you are. I bet you were effing and jeffing it all over the place.
Yeah, mate. That show will get demonetized. That's for sure.
Mine will as well.
I lost it, and I don't lose it very often. But with Lee, you, me, Kenny, Matty, we've been calling this one for a long time, and today the capitulation started. That was an absolute bloody disgrace, and it showed. And we'll talk about that red card in a minute, but it just showed to me how clueless this manager is. Rather than keep with the front three again, he takes off Sterling, who was absolute pony anyway, but stick with the front three and go for it. This is Bournemouth. This is Bournemouth. It's not bloody Real Madrid, right? Yeah, and next week we got Liverpool. Yeah, where we're going to be out of that player. Yeah, so this I don't know where to start. I could go mental here, but this guy, this manager, is absolutely bloody clueless. You can see he did not do.
Yeah,
he did not know what to do, Lee. He stood there like turned his back when Saliba went off, and I'm thinking, you are supposed to be the best young manager in world football. What the effing hell are you doing? You panicked. You didn't know how. You have no knowledge of tactics. You have no knowledge of how a game plan works because you did it the same time. The last 2 times we had red cards, you've done the same bloody thing.
Yep.
You are useless, man. And it's about time the worm started to turn and the people wake up and see what this guy is actually about. He is effing crap.
Yep.
I'm that angry, Lee. That angry. This is bloody Bournemouth FC. Respect to them. But this is Arsenal Football Club. And he proved it, Lee, today that we just do not have the kahunas. We haven't got the bench. We haven't got the depth. Because Kivwa, what the hell did he do when he came
trash? We know he's trash. This is the fixed bench, Jez.
Marino was shit.
Sterling, Marino. Yeah, but these men are all sitting there saying Marino's good. He's a good player. None of these fuckers have ever watched Real Sociedad like I do, Jez. Yeah, and I told everyone he's not good enough.
No, proved it today.
I watched him every week, Jez. I watch him every week. I'm watching Celta Vigo now against Real Madrid.
What did Kai Havertz do today, Lee?
Nothing.
Fuck all. Nothing. Did he have a shot?
Couldn't trap a bag of cement. We had one shot on target, and that was Martinelli, who should have buried it. Yeah, and that was at 0-0. And that was at 0-0, Jez. They go straight up the other end, bang, goal.
Yeah, but this is our top striker, mate. 29, Kai Havertz, right?
And do you know what? Sorry to cut in there. Do you know what was ironic, yeah? The fact that we're known as the set piece kings, and they scored one of the best set pieces I've seen in a long time. That corner routine was crazy, mate. What a goal. What a goal. Yeah, they nullified us on corners today. We had a lot of corners today. What did we do for them? Nothing.
Do you know, Lee, there's a lot of people out there that are similar mind thought to me, and you, and Kenny, and Matty, and lots of other people. A guy in my chat today, right, won't mention any names, fair play to the fella. He turned round, he said, Jez, I hope we lose every game now to Christmas to get this guy out. Now, this guy has been supporting Arsenal 30 odd years. 30 odd years. Right? And he said, I hope we lose every game to get this guy out. And I said to him in the chat, I read his comment out and I said, mate, it won't happen. You're stuck with him. We are stuck with him because we've got all these plastics, right, that sit at the Emirates Stadium and they'll big it up. Oh well, you know, we didn't have all the full team. Well, why didn't we have a full team today, Lee? Because we haven't invested. I am fucking livid. I'm square. I apologise for swearing.
No, don't worry, man. So what you got to say?
Absolutely livid about that today. I sat on a watch along on the Yeti show, and he said to me, Jez, watching another game. And he said, how do you think it's going to go? I said, yeah, it should be a comfortable 2-0.
Yeah, I predicted 3-1. I said the only reason I said 3-1 is because Calafiori was playing. And ironically, he was one of our better players. Yeah, it was Ben White that was the bozo today. Yeah, Saliba the bozo. Ben White got cooked every time they got the ball. Yeah, they sent him to the shop for milk.
We got Shakhtar in the week.
Yeah, I said this to Kenny. Yeah, I said to Matty on the watch along. Yeah, we got Shakhtar. They love a Brazilian over there in Ukraine. They always find some Brazilian that no one's ever heard of that goes and cooks up everyone. Yeah, I guarantee you there will be a Brazilian in that team that will go, fucking hell, he's a player. Yeah, so it wouldn't surprise me. Well, where was Edu when that Brazilian signed? Wouldn't surprise me. And the fact that we've got so many defenders out injured, Jez, yeah, it's an absolute disgrace. Yeah, that's for me anyway. Yeah, that Saliba did what he did today. Yes, stupid pass from Trossard. However, let the guy go. But what did you make of that red card?
Well, if you want me, right, I'm going to give this honest opinion, right, which probably people won't agree with. But if you read the letter of the law, it has to be a clear and obvious goal scoring opportunity. That ball that was pinged, right, was going 40 yards to the right. Okay, from their team, right? Saliba was silly, but that was not a clear and obvious goal scoring opportunity. He didn't have the ball. The letter of the law states you have to be in control of the ball and you have to be a clear and obvious goal scoring opportunity. I'm sorry, you can disagree with me, and a lot of people will. That was not a clear and obvious goal scoring opportunity. I think that was the goal. If you actually look at the referee, Lee, when it happened, he went play on. He went play on. He's put his arm out, play on. He didn't give free kick or anything. He went play on. Right? It's VAR, and that, I'm sorry, that is one of the worst decisions I've ever seen this season from VAR. It was a bloody disgrace because at the end of the day, yes, Saliba was stupid, but they clashed. They clashed into each other, right? He didn't deliberately foul him, but where was the ball going, Lee? The ball was going 40 yards. That player was never going to get control of that ball. So therefore, it's not a clear and obvious goal-scoring opportunity. That, to me, is a shit decision.
I disagree, but we can disagree as adults, Jez, because it's what adults do.
Really?
Yeah, we don't need to sit here and cuss each other out over it. Yeah, for me, I think it was a red. He put his arm on him, yeah, and clipped him as well. But at the same time, Ben White was over that side, you know, on the opposite side.
Yeah.
I'm not so sure Ben White would have caught him up. Yeah, that Evan Nilsson's not that quick. Yeah, but Saliba would have caught him up. Yeah, so for me, I'm blaming Saliba and Trossard. Yeah, Trossard less so. Saliba didn't need to touch him. Don't give them a decision. Yeah, we know VAR shit. We know the refs are shit. We know the linos are shit. The fourth official shit. Don't give him a decision to make. Let the guy go. Yeah, and then go and catch him. Because we've seen him catch up Mbappe before, Saliba, when he played at PSG. We've seen him. We know he's quick. Yeah, so for me, I'm like, the keeper would have been coming out, narrowing the angle down, closing the angle down. He would have been out of his 18-yard box. He would have rushed out. Saliba would have been chasing him and catching him up. Now he's flapping. He's not that good anyway. Yeah, and he would have been slowing down. So I'm like, just don't fucking touch him, mate.
Lee, can I ask you a question? Can I ask you just this one question? That guy is a FIFA referee, right? He's an international referee. He can referee anywhere around the world in any nation, right? Yeah. Why can he not have the balls as a FIFA registered referee to make the decision?
Because unfortunately, this is the way the game's gone. I watched one earlier. Can't remember what it was. The Leverkusen game, Bayer Leverkusen game. Yeah, I watched the first 20 minutes of that game. The referee is literally standing 5 foot away, from a guy that tackled one of their players. Yeah, I can't remember what team Leverkusen. I think it was either way. One of them got a penalty. I can't remember what team it was. Right, he was literally 5 foot in front of the guy. The guy gets taken out. He flops on the floor. The ref plays on. The ball goes out of play. VAR. The same ref that was stood 5 foot away watching it jogs off to the camera, gives a penalty. Yeah, and he watched it 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 and he watched it. Then he gave a penalty. Well, you were right in front of it when it happened, mate. Yeah, state of refereeing in world football. And this is what it is. And this is why VAR has been brought in. It's to cause drama. It's to cause drama. Yeah, to cause excitement. Yeah, to cause controversy. Yeah, and to cause talking points to make the dead football we're watching better. Yeah, and everyone's now going off about Howard Webb's trending #1 because they pounded and he was sending a conspiracy. He's told them to send them off. Oh, how do we know? We're not reading his text. Maybe he was texting his wife.
Yes.
Who knows? Yeah, but this is all done by design, Jez. All done by design. Yeah, that's not the reason we lost. Yeah, we had no shots on target with 11 men. Yeah, we were awful today, but now he's out of the Liverpool game. Yeah, we got loads of injuries. Yeah, we could be dusted. We could be dusted real soon.
We called it. We called it. Look. Let's not make any excuses here right now. No bullshit. We've been calling this for a long time. We've got away with it this season. We've been scraping.
Yeah.
Right now, it's all coming out. All our chickens are coming home to roost right here, right now.
Facts.
And it's about time, all you little arse-wipes out there that love the Arteta love fest, start to wake up and see what's actually happening. Because right now, we could be out of this title race, if you want to call it that. If you want to say that, yeah, we could be out of this in the next 4 weeks.
100%. Oh, we got Newcastle away. We've got Liverpool at home, Chelsea away, Inter away. Yeah, we've got a lot of tough games coming up. Yeah, and we ain't got the squad, Jez. We got rid of players instead of buying them. Yeah, we're going backwards. Yeah, and the mess that this guy apparently found us in, yeah, could be a bigger mess by the time he finally fucks off. Yeah, 800 million deep.
I want him gone by Christmas because that guy said to me today.
Oh, Celta Vigo just equalised. How comes they're not sitting back against Madrid and taking what's coming? They've just equalised. Where you got coming up, Jez? Where you got coming up, mate?
I don't know, mate. I'm just that pissed off right now, Lee. Seriously pissed off. I'm jumping on with Aaron in a minute to do a match review, but yeah, I'm just that pissed off right now. Seriously. I've had enough, Lee. Look, mate, I've watched this club for so many years. Yeah, do you know, you know me, I don't swear a lot, but I'm really got to hold it in, because I'm absolutely bloody spitting feathers here. Absolutely. But no, I don't know, mate. I fuck knows. I ain't got nothing coming up right now.
All right, mate. Right, we're going to wrap this up. Make sure you sub to Jez. Link will be in the title. I'm going live literally in 1 minute with Northside. And yeah, we're out. Cronky out. Laters.
Yeah, get out. A lot of them.